Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa Carter from Epic Charter Schools. Welcome to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. Today I'm joined by my co-host, Marcia, our cooking habits specialist.
Thanks, it's good to be with you, Alyssa.
Nice to see you.
Well, today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies to celebrate February being National Family Fun Baking Month. Alyssa, this is a family favorite at my house, so I hope you enjoy making it today.
I am going to enjoy it.
Awesome.
And I'll steal some from my family.
All right. Do you want to tell us the ingredients and we'll get started?
For this recipe, we'll need 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 small package of vanilla instant pudding, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 12-ounce package of chocolate chips, 1 cup of chopped pecans, and so let's get started.
Okay, we may have to back up there a little bit, but let's start with the butter.
How much butter are we going to need?
We're going to need both of those. We need a full cup, so that's 2 sticks of butter.
Very milky.
We're going to put both of those right in the mixer.
What's next?
Okay, then I think we needed both of the sugars. So I'll put in the white sugar. If you'll put in the brown sugar. I think we've got a...
Brown sugar is a bit harder.
All right, stick that right into there. And so next let's add the vanilla pudding.
The secret ingredient.
This is the secret ingredient at my house. This keeps them extra moist.
Hard because I have butter and stuff all on my hands. Is it just the powder?
Yep. Yep.
And I'll get the teaspoon.
All right. A teaspoon of vanilla extract.
There we go.
All right. We'll blend all of these together. I think we need the flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. So if you want to go ahead and put a teaspoon of baking soda in the flour.
Okay.
And then let's use your teaspoon and just kind of stir that up in there a little bit. Okay.
I think it's good, except for the fact that I'm putting flour everywhere. So we're gonna add it into there?
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit at a time as we blend. So,
do you want to blend or do you want to put them in?
I tell you what, I'll do this kind of like this. And then we're gonna pull this back up here. Get it started. And then we'll add a little bit more.
The good thing is that we're baking, so it's going to be a mess.
And that's okay. Makes it taste better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right, and I tell you what, I'm gonna lower this down. If you'll add the last of that in there.
Wow.
There we go.
Don't break the glass.
Perfect. Okay, next let's get our bowl. Let's get this bowl, and we're gonna add 2 eggs.
Yeah, because it'll blend up the rest. Now that means that we cannot eat the cookie dough.
That's right.
There is egg in there.
Okay, now that we've got that mixed up, let's add our chocolate chips and our pecans.
Do I just pour them in?
Just pour them in.
Okay. So you probably got a lot of people, if they're ever making this, just wanting to eat the chocolate chips.
I bet. That's okay too.
I actually like pecans.
I do too. Okay, all right, so now this is gonna be pretty thick, but we're gonna just mix this up just a little bit here. Melissa, I'll share a little secret with you. At my house, we like to use a cookie scoop. Do you ever use a cookie scoop?
Yep.
All right, so I just scoop some on there. Do you wanna scoop some on?
Sure.
Just like that. Fill up that cookie sheet.
Some of them are gonna be big.
That's all right.
No cookie's ever perfect.
That's right.
So at what age did you start cooking?
Oh gosh, I don't know. That's been a long time ago. I can't remember. I was little, kind of like you.
So long that you can't even remember.
Yes.
Ta-da.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Okay. Now we bake these at 375 for 8 to 9 minutes.
Where's the oven?
And we'll stick those right in the oven.
Wow, don't they look great? Chocolate chip cookies are the perfect way to celebrate the month. Just don't eat too many. Thank you.
Thank you, Alyssa. I had a great time today.
I had a great time too.